This whole section down here was rotten, so it's had to be cut off and a concrete pad put underneath it. But I've just sanded these steps here, and as you can see, there's quite a lot of wood right in there. If there's a boat, you pull it out and fix it for sure. When you're doing a bog like this, what you do, you get a drill, just like that there, and you drill some pilot holes in, because that was a piece out there. So I've drilled a few holes in, so this goes in and it locks in, it keys in. This one here is a little bit different, but it'll key in by itself, won't be a drama. That one there should be okay as well. So I don't know if you're familiar with 2-pack bog. Now we use this on, we dig out any wood rot that we find on fascia boards and stuff, or weather boards. You can use this builder's bog. It works in conjunction with this hardener, and it's a red one. So the more of this hardener you mix in, the quicker it goes off. If you only put a little bit of hardener in it, it still will go off, but it can take an hour or even longer. So if you have to shape something, or you're waiting for something, it's probably best to put a bit more hardener in. Just test a little bit. You can tell by the colour of it. So I'm going to just put that like that, and put a little hole in it, like that there. Now I've got a smaller blade for mixing. I'm going to just take this here, and we normally give it a big good shake, right, because sometimes you'll have a juice that'll come out, and then we'll just pour that in there. Normally I only put a little bit in, but I want this to go off fairly hard quickly. So I'm going to put that much in, as you can see there. It's quite a lot. And we're going to mix that up. Now, you want to be fairly quick on mixing it up, because it will go hard within a couple of minutes with the amount that I've put in there now. So and this is going to turn a light pinky colour, pinky red colour, similar to how your lead test goes when you get positive lead on a lead test. Okay, just make sure you mix it all up pretty good. Don't dilly-dally, because it will go off and you'll end up wasting all that. Do that now. I'm going to use my bigger blade. I did sand these out and pick them all out yesterday, and put a coat of paint in there to help seal that. Now I sort of want it straight along there. Looks like we need a little bit more here. If we have a little bit spare, we'll use it in another hole. But we've got to do it quickly. Do probably that section there. Still a little bit left here. So we'll do this one here. Add a bit into a big hole here, for example. Push it right in. And I'm going to sand that with the grinder. That should go off in, I reckon, maybe 4 minutes, 5 minutes. So we're going to go and get some more bog out of the truck, and then we're going to come back, and I reckon by the time we get that there, that will be hard, and we're going to be using that to do the rest with.